welcome to my blog, or I guess the correct terminology is vlog. You caught me in character, trying to get motivation for this novel I'm writing called The Trailer Hicks. The main character is this cool feller named Cleo. It's a science fiction yarn set in the future where most everyone is plugged into a computer network and they all believe they're living in a utopian trailer park paradise. Cleo gets unplugged from the Trailer Hicks and uses his brain power to save humanity. Hey, Dixie, get this damn monkey out of here! Hey, I won the monkey last week in a poker game. After winning everyone's stake last week, they all started betting their watches and their shoes and their jewelry. Man, I cleaned everyone out. Hey, let me show you a neat card trick I taught myself. One for you, one for me. One for you, one for me. Hey, I'm a regular Houdini, right? Well, I'm going to get online with my windfall and play some high-stakes poker now. Maybe I'll get on Craigslist a little later and get rid of this damn monkey. Hey, Dixie, get the phone!
Hello? Dobber, it's your probation officer.
Well, I'm going to have to take that call, so I guess I'll catch y'all later.